Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the 12th video of the Tableau Say Hello series. In this video, we will be going through the dashboard in Tableau Desktop. Dashboard in Tableau is a collection of views at one place. It helps in easier analysis. By the end of this video, you will know your way around the Tableau desktop and be ready to build your first dashboard in Tableau. So, the first question is, how do we navigate to the dashboard in the Tableau workspace? There are multiple methods to access a dashboard page. The first method is by using the tabs at the bottom of the Tableau workspace. We can click on the icon with the four boxes in the Sheet tabs. This is the new dashboard page. This will open a blank dashboard page. The second method is by using the dashboard menu from the toolbar. This method can be carried only from a sheet in Tableau. We need to click on the dashboard menu and then the new dashboard. This will again open a blank dashboard page similar to the first method. So, what is a dashboard in Tableau? A dashboard is a collection of several views which helps us in comparing a variety of data simultaneously. It helps in the data analysis process as a dashboard displays all the views at once instead of having to navigate to separate worksheets. Let us now go through the different sections in a dashboard page. Let us create a dashboard, new dashboard, blank dashboard. The first thing we notice is that the dashboard interface is different from the worksheet interface. The left side bar containing the data pane and analytics pane in a worksheet has been replaced by the dashboard and the layout pane. In the center, we have the canvas area where we can build the dashboard. Similar to the worksheet, we have a toolbar menu right at the top of the dashboard, which contains the options to carry out quick options. Actions like new worksheet and duplicate worksheet, as well as you can also clear the sheet. Let's now take a look at the dashboard pane. Within the dashboard pane, there are multiple sections. First is the device preview section where we can create dashboards for different devices. Second is the size section where we can set the dashboard size. Third is the sheets section using which we can build dashboard. Fourth is the objects section that can add visual appeal to a dashboard. Let us now go through the device preview section. Dashboards in Tableau can include layouts for different types of devices that can span a wide range of screen sizes. When we publish these layouts to Tableau server at our Tableau cloud, people viewing the dashboard experience a design that is optimized for their end device, which can be a phone, tablet, or desktop. As the author, we need to create only a single dashboard and deliver a single URL. To preview and manually add device layouts, click on Device Preview. In the device preview mode, we get a horizontal bar on top of the dashboard canvas area. Here, we can click through the device types and models and explore the different sizes. The different device types are default, we have the desktop, we have the tablet and phone. To add a device to the dashboard, we need to do the following. First, we need to select the device type, such as tablet. In the upper right corner, we need to click on Add Layout tab for the device type we have selected. In this case, it will be Add Tablet Layout. Let us now switch off the device preview. If required, we can delete the layouts. Next, let us go through the size section. We can resize a dashboard as per our requirements. There are different options under size, namely fixed, automatic, and range. The fixed size ensures the dashboard remains the same size regardless of the size of the screen used to display it. If the dashboard is larger than the screen size, it becomes scrollable. When we select the fixed size, we will have a second drop down list from which we can select a preset size or select a custom size. For the custom size, we can change the width as well as the height as per our requirement. For the range size, bit, the dashboard scales between the minimum and maximum sizes that we specify. If the screen used to display the dashboard is smaller than the minimum size, scroll bars are displayed. If it is larger, the maximum size, white space is displaced. Next, for the automatic, the dashboard automatically resizes to fill the screen used to display it. We need to take care while using automatic sizing, as it can result in unpredictable results when we are not sure where the dashboard will be viewed. Next, let us go through the dashboard canvas area. This is the place where we can drag and drop sheets and other dashboard objects while creating the dashboard. Next, let us go through the sheet section. We can drag sheets from the left side and drop them into the canvas area of the dashboard on the right. If we hover each sheet, we will get a quick preview of the view on the right side. Let us drag and drop a few sheets into the dashboard. When we select a sheet and drop it into the canvas area, by default it will occupy the full space of the dashboard. When we drag and drop the second sheet into the dashboard, we will get a gray area highlighting the possible places where we can drop the sheet. If required, we can replace a sheet in the dashboard. We need to first select the sheet at the left side, hover over the replacement sheet, and click on Swap Sheets button. Next, let us go through the Objects section. Apart from the sheets, we can add dashboard objects to improve the visual appeal and add interactivity. There are many objects, and we will go through some of them. We have horizontal and vertical objects that provide layout containers. which allow in grouping related objects together that will help in quickly positioning them. A horizontal layout container resizes the width of the views and objects in contains. A vertical layout container adjusts the heights. Text objects can provide headers, explanations, and other additional information. Blank objects can help in adjusting the space between dashboard items. We need to understand the difference between tiled and floating objects while using dashboards. Each object layout container and view that we place on a dashboard is either tiled or floating. The default layout option is tiled. Under the objects in dashboard pane, we can click the layout option we want to use, that is either floating or tiled. Tiled items do not overlap. They become a part of a single layer grid that resizes based on the overall dashboard size. By default, all dashboard objects are tiled. Floating items can be layered over other objects in a dashboard. As you can see, we have already dragged and dropped few sheets into the dashboard that are tiled. Let us now click on floating below the objects section. Let us drag and drop the map view, or let us drag and drop another. Yeah, let us drag and drop the sales by state view over the two existing views. Here we see that the map floats over the other two tiled views. Let us clear the sheet and change the layout option to tiled. Next, let us navigate to the layout pane adjacent to the dashboard pane. Under the layout pane, there are several settings to further fine tune the dashboard. The settings displayed will be varying based on what we select in the dashboard. For better understanding the layout pane, let us create a dashboard containing a horizontal container and two sheets. Let us select the horizontal container. There are multiple ways to do this. We can first select any sheet inside the container, click on the more options, and from the context menu, select the required container. We can also select the sheet and double click on the two lines above the sheet. Using both methods, the container will be selected. Let us now navigate to the layout pane in the sidebar. We observe that under the selected item, horizontal container is displayed. Under selected item, we have various settings to control the position and the size of the container. There are several other settings to add border, background, outer and inner padding. Now, let us select a sheet inside the container. Apart from the previous settings that we saw for the container, we have an additional setting for the sheet title. We can hide the sheet title by deselecting the show title. By default, the sheet title is displayed. Right at the bottom, we have what is called the item hierarchy that shows how the objects are layered and grouped on the dashboard. We can change how the objects are layered. Items at the top of the list appear in the front, while items at the bottom appear in the back. We can also rename the various dashboard items in the section. It is very important that during the process of building the dashboard, we keep checking the structure of the dashboard in the item hierarchy. Let us clear the sheet. Now that we have gone through the various sections in the dashboard page, let us build a simple dashboard. For the sake of this video, I have already prepared multiple sheets as visible. Let us drag and drop a vertical container to the dashboard. This will be the main container for the dashboard. Let us now go to the item hierarchy and rename this container to include main. Next, let us drag and drop a horizontal container to the dashboard inside the vertical container. We can check the item hierarchy to confirm that the horizontal container is within the vertical container. Let us rename this container to include title. Let us select the horizontal container in the item hierarchy. Let us drag and drop a text box into the horizontal container and let us enter the required title like sales dashboard, and let us change the font settings as per the requirement. Once again, we can check the item hierarchy to confirm that the text box is within the horizontal container, which itself is within the main vertical container. Next, let us drag and drop. We'll select the vertical container and drag and drop a second horizontal container to the dashboard inside the vertical container. Let us drag and drop a third horizontal container. We can check once again the item hierarchy to confirm that we now have three horizontal containers inside the main vertical container. Let us select the second horizontal container in the item hierarchy. Let us drag and drop the sales by region sheet into the horizontal container. Next, let us drag and drop the sales by state sheet into the same horizontal container. Once again, we can check the item hierarchy to confirm that the new sheets are within the second horizontal container. Let us select the horizontal container and from the more options, select distribute contents evenly. We can resize the height of the container by dragging and dropping it. Let us rename this container to include region and state. Let us select the third horizontal container in the item hierarchy. Next, let us drag and drop the sales by city sheet into the third horizontal container. Next, let us drag and drop the sales by subcategory into the third horizontal container. Similarly, let us select the third horizontal container and select the distribute contents evenly from the more options. If required, we can manually resize the height of the container. Now we have built the simple dashboard in Tableau. Let us now check the item hierarchy to confirm that we have the dashboard structure as per our requirement. If required, we can rename the third container as well to mention that it is the city and subcategory. Next, let us add interactivity for this dashboard. Let us add a dashboard filter action for the region. Let us go to the dashboard menu and go to actions. Here we can select the this sheet option. We can click on add action and select the filter option. Here we can give a name as select a region. Under the source sheets, let us select only the select sales by region sheet, and we'll select the run action on as select, and for the under the target sheets, let us deselect the sales by region sheet. For the clearing the selection will option, let us select the show all values, and under filter let us select the selected fields. We use the drop down menu and navigate and select the region field. Let us click on OK and second OK. Now, if we click on say a region like central, we see that the other views in the dashboard are being filtered down. We can similarly create filter actions for state, city to achieve a sequential drill down effect in the dashboard. Apart from filter actions, we can add other types of actions. Example, the highlight, go to URL, go to sheet, change parameter, and change set values. This completes the video on the Tableau dashboard. Alright, let's recap the main points covered in this video. You now know what a dashboard is. You have explored the key areas of the dashboard. You have been introduced to the dashboard objects. And finally, you've seen how to build a simple dashboard in Tableau. If you have found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.